The 2025 BMW M2 is a modern sports coupe that stays true to BMW's legacy of delivering an engaging and rewarding driving experience, even as technology continues to evolve. Beneath its hood lies BMW's signature 3.0-liter inline-six engine, now enhanced with twin turbochargers to produce 473 horsepower, an increase of 20 horsepower over its predecessor. BMW claims the manual-equipped M2 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, though past testing suggests it may be even quicker. However, straight-line speed isn't the M2's primary focus. Its real magic lies in its ability to carve through sweeping turns and attack tight apexes with precision. Despite its performance pedigree, the M2 is versatile enough for daily driving, provided you don't rely on the cramped rear seats for passengers. While technology plays a role, the essence of the M2 remains intact with its sharp chassis, rear-wheel drive, and an available 6-speed manual transmission, a no-cost option alongside the standard 8-speed automatic. For enthusiasts, it continues to deliver the visceral, joy-filled experience that defines a true driver's car. What's new for 2025? BMW has updated the M2 with its latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, shifting climate controls, including seat heating and ventilation, into the 14.9-inch touchscreen. Interior refinements include a new leather-wrapped, flat-bottom steering wheel with a red center marker, with an option for synthetic leather and heating. The black Vernasca leather M Sport seats now offer red accent stitching, while the M carbon bucket seats, previously exclusive to the optional carbon package, are now available as a standalone option. Personalization and pricing. The 2025 BMW M2 offers expanded customization options with a variety of new exterior finishes, including Sao Paulo Yellow, Vegas Red Metallic, Portimao Blue Metallic, Skyscraper Gray Metallic, Frozen Pure Gray Metallic, and Frozen Portimao Blue 2 Metallic. Additionally, BMW's individual paint program introduces Java Green Metallic, Voodoo Blue, Grigio Telesto Pearl Effect Metallic, and Twilight Purple Pearl Effect Metallic to the lineup. Other subtle refinements include standard black exhaust tips and a silver border on the front and rear badges. Pricing for the 2025 BMW M2 starts at $66,075. For purists, the standard 6-speed manual transmission is the clear choice. It transforms an already fantastic driver's car into something truly special. The M Driver's Package raises the M2's top speed from 155 miles per hour to 177 miles per hour, making it a worthwhile add-on for those who frequent track days with long straights. Otherwise, the M2 is perfectly tuned straight from the factory, delivering exhilarating performance without any extra modifications. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2025 M2 is pure Bavarian muscle. It's powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, now producing 473 horsepower, a 20 horsepower increase over the previous model. Torque remains at 406 lb-ft for the manual version, while the automatic benefits from an increase to 443 lb-ft, while the extra torque is a nice bonus. The manual's ability to access its full 406 lb-ft at just 2,650 RPM, compared to 2,700 RPM in the auto, makes shifting for yourself a rewarding trade-off. True to its M badge, the M2 features a specially tuned suspension and a host of chassis upgrades, making it the sharpest, most capable 2 Series on the track. The driving experience is pure joy, quick turn-in, razor-sharp handling, and a chassis that stays composed even over mid-corner bumps and imperfections. Every moment behind the wheel feels engaging, ensuring the M2 delivers driving thrills on every road, from winding back roads to race circuits. 0 to 60 miles per hour times. During testing of a 2024 M2 with a manual gearbox, C/D's test driver hit 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds and covered the quarter mile in 12.2 seconds at 118 miles per hour. And this was with the less powerful previous year model. The 8-speed automatic would likely have been marginally quicker, and that gap should stay the same in 2025 as well. This is the same engine that is standard in M3S and M4S, and the manual is its ideal dance partner, as we found with our long-term M3. We'll update this space with the latest performance results as soon as we test a 2025 M2. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. EPA fuel economy estimates for the 2025 M2 are 16 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway, whether equipped with the 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. The 2024 M2 with the manual returned 26 miles per gallon on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route, beating its estimate by 2 miles per gallon. For more information about the M2's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the M2 features the same layout as the regular 2 Series coupe. Passenger space is plentiful for front seat riders, but those relegated to the rear may be wishing you had sprung for the larger 3 Series sedan. There's a new flat-bottomed wheel with a fresh tri-spoke design, and a new upholstery combo, black with red stitching, is on offer. Opt for the carbon fiber package, and a layer of the stuff is draped on multiple surfaces of the M2's cabin, and the sport seats are swapped out for more aggressive body-hugging buckets said to save 24 pounds. For 2025, the weight-saving carbon seats in the carbon fiber package are also available as a standalone option. Infotainment and connectivity. A digital monolith of a screen sweeping across the dash informs the driver of every bit of data they could possibly need, and probably a few things they don't. A 12.3-inch display behind the steering wheel serves as a reconfigurable gauge cluster and seamlessly transitions to a larger 14.9-inch touchscreen that provides access to BMW's 8.5 proprietary operating system, the latest version of BMW's iDrive infotainment system software. The update also moves all climate control functions, including seat heating and, if specified, steering wheel heating to the touchscreen, but they can also be operated via voice command. Navigation is standard, and a head-up display and 5G connectivity are both optional. Safety and driver assistance features. All M2s come with basic driver assistance features such as automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control, but if you want more advanced tech, such as a stop-and-go feature for the cruise control, you'll have to pay extra and opt for the automatic transmission. For more information about the M2's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Compared with its direct competitors, BMW has equal or better warranty coverage. Specifically, it has an unrivaled complimentary scheduled maintenance program. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000